In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the language on Expedia. Let's dive right in and get you set up for the best possible experience on this popular travel website. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Expedia's official website. Simply type in expedia.com in the address bar and hit enter. Give it a moment to load, and you'll be greeted by the Expedia homepage, full of vivid travel imagery and a world of destination possibilities. Now, the key to setting your preferred language is locating the language option, which is conveniently placed in the top right corner of the homepage. It's next to the currency option as well, allowing you to not only customize your language settings, but also tailor the currency to suit your needs, should you wish to do so. This is particularly useful if you're visiting multiple countries or planning your travel from a region where the default settings don't align with your preferences. Spotting this option is fairly straightforward because it stands out from the usual array of booking options and promotions typically showcased across the page. As you scan this section, you'll notice a globe icon or a drop-down arrow that often represents the language menu. It's there to provide you with the flexibility to switch your language easily. Now that you've found the language options, it's time to select your preferred language. Clicking on this icon or arrow will present you with a list of available languages. Expedia offers a broad range of languages, ensuring that no matter where you're from or which language you're most comfortable with, there's likely to be an option that will make navigating their site simpler and more intuitive for you. Select the language that best suits you by scrolling through the list of options and clicking on your choice. Once selected, the website should automatically refresh, updating all relevant text and menus into your chosen language. This change doesn't just apply to the homepage. It will be consistent throughout your browsing on Expedia, from hotel and flight searches to checkout and beyond. With this change complete, you're all set to explore Expedia's offerings in a language you're most at ease with, making your travel planning smoother and more efficient. Remember, if you ever need to switch back to another language or reset the site to its default settings, simply repeat these steps. I hope you found this guide useful, and I invite you to embark on your next travel adventure with ease and confidence. Thank you for watching, and happy travels.